Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create this drop shadow effect on Canva. In order to do that, first of all you have to log in into Canva. After logging in, you will get to see these kind of interface in Canva. Just simply click on the create a design. If you have created already a design, you can just simply go to recent design and select that. But for this tutorial, I will create a new one. Just create a new design. Now, from the text, you have to add a new text, which can be anything. For example, I will add this one. Now, give the text your text here. Now, just simply click on the text and you will get to see on the top that effect, and click on the effect. You will get to see this non-shadow, lift, hollow, splice, outlines. So these are the effects you can use, or style for the text you can use in Canva. For this tutorial, to give a shadow to a text, you can just select to a shadow. Now set a offset and give a direction, and increase the blur and transparency as well. So this is how you can create a drop shadow effect, as you can see here. So this is how you can create a drop shadow effect in Canva.